Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 970 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. Before we start, if you want to pair your watch with an iPhone, you can do it in two ways. The first way is to do it through the setup process of the watch. So basically if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the other way is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up, because you can set up the watch without pairing it with a phone, and also maybe you want to disconnect it from one device and connect it to a different device and you don't want to reset it to the factory default settings. You can do that, and I'm gonna show you both ways. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process because my watch is already reset, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Okay, so let's start. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and we can do it by pressing and holding the light button. And you can keep holding the button for a few seconds and then you can release it, or wait until the Garmin logo appears on the screen and then release it. And after the Garmin logo appears, wait until the watch is done booting up. It will take a while, so let's wait. Actually, I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, the watch is done booting up, as you can see, and if your watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the list of languages on the screen. And you can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. And then, after you select the language, you will be asked if you want to pair your watch with a phone. We want to do that, so let's press the start button to confirm, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. Basically, it will be discoverable by the application. And that's how it looks like. You have a QR code on the screen, and you can use this QR code to download the application, or you can simply open the App Store, which I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to App Store, tap on search and type in Garmin Connect. And on the list of apps, you should see this application, Garmin Connect by Garmin. Let's download it. Oh, I need to confirm the password, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done downloading. Okay, the application is done installing rather, and we can tap on open to open it. And in the app, you will see the pop-up about the Bluetooth permission. Allow it. Then we have the notification permission. You can also allow it, but it's not required. But the Bluetooth one is required, so allow it. And here we can tap on not now. And as you can see, we are already logged in for some reason, which is weird. Usually you're not logged in immediately, you just need to enter the password and email, but I guess iPhone remembers the account. So now to pair the watch, we need to tap on more, Garmin devices, and then tap on add device. It will start searching for the nearby devices, and if your watch is in the pairing mode, it will be detectable by the app, and it should be detected. Then you can tap on connected, tap on pair, allow or deny the permissions for the notifications, tap next. Here we can set up a sleeping schedule, which is useful if you want to use the do not disturb mode during sleep. So basically, if you wear your watch during the sleep and you set up the bedtime, it will turn on the do not disturb mode when you're sleeping and turn it off when you wake up, which is useful if you don't want to be disturbed during the sleeping. And you can edit it by tapping on edit right here. And you can change the bedtime, wake time, and the days on which it should be active. Then you can tap on done, next. Here we have the calendar access. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications about the events on your calendar. If you don't care, you can skip it. If you want to use it, tap on allow and then allow. Then we have the location permission. This is useful for the features like local weather, tracking your route on the map when you're running, cycling, and stuff like that. If you don't care, you can skip it. If you want to use it, tap on allow and then allow. And finally, we can tap on next, sync now, finish. Here we have a tutorial how to use the watch. I'm gonna skip it. And at this point, you should see the home page. On it, there should be icon of your watch. And if you go to more, Garmin devices, the watch should be connected. And as you can see right now, it's updating the software, which I don't really care about at the moment. But now let's go to our watch, and you can set up a passcode. This is useful for the case if you're, for example, not wearing your watch. It will automatically lock itself, but you will need to enter the passcode to unlock it. So it's useful if you don't want some other people to access your watch when you're not wearing it. And you can set it up by pressing the start button and then enter the passcode and stuff like that. I'm just gonna skip it. Then we have the font size. You can adjust it by tapping on the icons on the side right here. So adjust the font to your liking, and then press the start button. And here we can add the activities to our favorite list, I would call it. Basically frequently used activities. And if you want to do it, press the start button. If you don't care, you can press the back button or down button to skip it. I'm gonna go through it. So basically it will open the list of different categories and activities. Find the activity you want to add to the list and tap on it. And it will be added. You will see the check mark next to it, my bad. And once you're done, once you're done adding the activities, you go down, tap on done. Okay, and now you should see the watch face, which is the, basically that means that the setup is complete. Okay, so that's how you pair it through the setup process. Now I'm gonna remove it from the phone and we're gonna pair it through the settings. So remove device, remove, close. I'm gonna close this, open the settings and go to Bluetooth. Remove our Forerunner. Oh, forget device. Hello. Okay. And now to pair this watch through the settings instead of setup process, you simply need to enter the pairing mode. And to do that, press and hold the up button. Then scroll down, tap on watch settings. Here find the connectivity. Then phone. Then pair phone. And the watch will enter the pairing mode. You can download and install the app. And once you have it, you can open it, of course. Come on. You've been running for a while. Open up. Okay, let's try again. Let's close it and open it. Well, it's not working too well, is it? Let's see, maybe it's an internet. Oh, the internet is good. Huh. Interesting. Oh, now it goes. Jesus. Took a while. Okay, we can tap on more. Garmin devices. Add device. And as long as watch is in the pairing mode, it will be detected. And you can tap on connect. It will start connecting. Tap on pair. And basically do the same steps as we did before. So we need to go through the setup process. Allow or deny the permissions for the notifications. Next. Sleeping schedule. Sync now. Finish. Skip the tutorial. And the watch should be right here on the list, which means it's paired with your phone. Okay. And that's how you pair this watch with an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.